Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can free up space in your TikTok app. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you open your TikTok app. So guys, once on your TikTok app, the next step that you need to take is to tap on your TikTok profile icon at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. Then under your settings and privacy, you scroll downwards. Then under your catch and cellular, you're going to see where it is written free up space, which is the first option. You tap on it. So guys, it's loading up as you can see. So guys, you can see this is where you can actually free up your space. You can see clear your cache to free up space. This won't affect your TikTok experience. And under the download section, they say downloads may include effects, filters, stickers, offline videos and virtual gifts downloaded in your app. You'll be able to download them again if you need them. So guys, if you want to actually free up space in your phone on your TikTok app, all you have to do is to tap on clear. Let me tap on clear. Then you tap on clear. So guys, you can see the cache size was 180 MB, now it's now 0 MB. And if you want to clear your downloads like your effects, your filters, your stickers and your offline videos, all you have to do is to tap on clear as well. Then you tap on clear. So guys, this is how you actually do it. I know you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.